What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas day number 19. And I am unboxing two advent calendars, one from Macy's that's a lip gloss advent calendar, and one from Ulta called the 12 Days of Beauty, which is kind of a variety of different products. So today we're going to unbox the 10th day from the Macy's advent calendar, and these are all lippies. Like I said, this is what we've had. It's kind of fallen apart, looking crazy by now, but this is what we've had so far, and there's been some interesting ones. And most of the time I just swatch it for you. Since this is the last video that I'm going to do today, I may, if this is going to look like it might go well with what's already on my lips, I may go ahead and put it on today. Hey, it's kind of a shimmer. It's kind of a burgundy shimmer, so maybe it would look good. Let's just see, shall we? I will swatch it for you on my hand. I already have some swatches from a previous video, so don't mind those. They're eyeshadows. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's a burgundy shimmer. And let's see. I'll move my Invisibobble for you. Ooh. That's pretty. I feel like I'm going to be doing you a disservice by putting it on my lips, because obviously what's on my lips already is going to affect the actual color, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm a rebel like that. If that's the only thing I'm rebellious over, then I think I'm doing pretty good. Let's see how. It's metallic. It doesn't go at all with what's on my lips, but it does appear to be taking over. That's nice. As I get into more metallics, which is kind of trending right now, I'm finding that I really much prefer a darker metallic to a lighter metallic. Lighter metallic seems like it washes out my face. I'm going to zoom in so you can really see what the finish looks like. Maybe I am. There we go. So I think it's pretty. I like the color. It's a good fall color for sure. Yeah. Out you go. Alright guys, so that's it for day number... See, I can't keep it straight for my life. For day number 18 of Vlogmas, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. I love that these are short and sweet, so you can come hang out with me every day and it doesn't have to take up a whole bunch of your time. I will be back tomorrow with the next day of the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty, and so I will see you then. Thank you so much for joining me. What up, YouTube? Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 19, where I am unboxing two advent calendars. I'm going back and forth between a Macy's lip gloss advent calendar and this Ulta 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar. Today we are going to be going into day number 10 of this advent calendar. So let's get in here and see what we've got and see if I'm going to be a happy girl today. I have super swatches on my hand from before, so don't mind those. Oh, it's a cute little lippy. It says Ulta Beauty, and there is not a shade name on this one either. Oh, yeah. I really have no words for how ugly that color is. I might be surprised. Let me swatch it. Let me see before I make a judgment. Okay. Don't judge a book by its cover. It isn't bad. It's actually kind of pretty. It looked like this orangey beige weirdness, but it's pretty. I like it. And that's a really nice everyday, throw that in your purse color, and it's really smooth. I don't know if I can show you the consistency of it by smearing it out a little bit, but it's really moisturizing. I think it would be a very nourishing lippy. And it doesn't tell me what this is. Maybe they just have bullet lippies, and I don't know if it's a particular line or what, but that's what we have. And I'm not putting it on because I put on the Macy's one today because I'm filming 2 days, because I'm pre-filming, because you know about how life happens to Sherri and gets in the way of her filming schedule, and why I'm talking about myself this way. It's whatever. This is like the 5th video, 6th video I filmed today, so my brain is going awry at this point, so just don't mind me. I do like the color for today. I like the color that I put on from the Macy's one as well. So even though I was very judgmental at the beginning, I apologize. You're pretty. She's pretty. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love it if you would come back tomorrow and be here for day number 20 of Vlogmas. I hope to see you then. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye guys. I will be back tomorrow with the next day of the